Welcome to today's session. Let's start with laughing. For any reason, if you cannot laugh loud, laugh without sound. Take a sip of water. Now let's do 3 random gratitude for. Thank you, universe, for giving me. Thank you, universe, for giving me. Thank you, universe, for giving me. Now, take a deep breath. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold. Exhale through your mouth for 4 seconds. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Relax. Let's do one of the meridian point to release any blockages from body, mind and soul. With your other hand, gently tap and repeat after me. I take 100% responsibility. All the happiness and all the sadness in my life experiences, I still love myself exactly the way I am right now. I take 100% responsibility for all the happiness and all the sadness in my life. I still love myself exactly the way I am right now. Even though knowingly, unknowingly, consciously or subconsciously, positive or negative, good or bad, emotionally or physically, whatever happiness and whatever sadness I'm going through in my life, I still love myself exactly the way I am right now. In energy, we are all one. We are the part of the universe. We are enlightened human beings, came to this earth to experience different emotions. Happiness and sadness both happens where? Inside me. Neither happiness is permanent, neither sadness is permanent. When happiness comes, do I question the universe? Why did you give me happiness? The same way, when the sadness comes to me, then why should I question the universe? Why is all the sadness given to me? It is both our experiences. But when the happiness comes, I forget the universe. When the sadness happens, I remember the universe. It is His creation. Everything is Maya. The more I am aware of this present moment, I am the creator. I can create beautiful things, whatever I feel like. Why I'm not creating? Because I'm living in the past lives and past karmas till now in that baggage. Keep on repeating things which are not pleasant experiences. Whenever something happens, if I remember the happy moments, I forget that sadness, because sadness is also temporary. Happiness is also temporary. When both are temporary, why remember both? Because I'm the creator. I am the awareness. The more I am present to this moment, saying, that is also temporary, this is also temporary. Let me experience what I feel like to. The more I feel towards the experiences, the more I attract. All my energy goes there. So why remember the moments which are not pleasant to me? It can be health, it can be relationships, it can be career, it can be financially. All our experiences to live this life in a fantastic, wonderful, amazing way. It is my choice how to live. Everybody has their own journey. I cannot change their destiny, but I can give love to them, the energy, positive energy to everyone. The more I am aware of positive energies inside me, that there is a divine soul, the divine God, divine universe recited in my heart. The more I remember that, the more energies I pass around to myself, to everyone, because I'm a divine energy. Knowingly, unknowingly, I created blocks inside me, letting go all those blocks from body, mind, and soul. Letting go all those blocks from body, mind, and soul, which is stopping my growth in health, relationships, career, and money. Everything is energy. It cannot be destroyed. It can transform one object to another. Thank you, universe, for keep on reminding me that you are there in everywhere. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now take a deep breath. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Relax. Let's sit in a comfortable position for next 15 minutes. You can sit on the chair, on the floor. You can take support of your back. Make sure your back is straight and close your eyes. Relax your head. Relax your face. Relax your neck. Relax your chest. Relax your hands. Relax your waist. Relax your thighs. Relax your knees. Relax your calves. Relax your feet. Relax each and every cell in this body. Be aware of your natural breath. The more you are aware of your natural breath, the thoughts get lesser and lesser and lesser. No need of repeating anything. Observe your natural breath. Those who want to continue in this state, you can continue as long as you want. Those who want to come out of this state, be aware of your surroundings. Be aware of your body. Gently rub your palms together. Place it on your eyes, on your face, all over your body. Slowly open your eyes. In one word, write it in the chat box or WhatsApp group, or you take notebook, write it there, how you felt. From the time you go to sleep and the time you get up, write down what are the emotions you are going through and what are the emotions you keep on repeating. What are the positive things happened in the day and what are the happy things and sad things happened in the day in relationships, health, career, financially, any area. The more you are aware of it, the more you can change. Everything is a balance. Thank you for joining today's session. Have a wonderful day. Love you all.